Hello everyone, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. I'm at the kitchen today. I am here. This is Tanya. I'm not on camera right now, but just want you to focus on what I'm doing. I'm making a Creole lentil soup, and it's using lentils. I just boiled the lentils and I'm going to rinse them off. They'll go into the recipe later, or in a few minutes rather. And I have the Holy Trinity here. I have an onion, celery, bell peppers, and I'm going to put that in my Dutch oven here. I have about a teaspoon of avocado oil. I'm going to cook these in. Just going to put those in there. Stir them around, make sure they get coated with the oil. This pot's kind of high, so it's like I've been leaving this pot on my stove here. It's pretty, but I don't have room for it, so anything I cook just goes into this pot here. Okay, so let's let that simmer. I'm going to rinse the lentils. See, the lentils are going to go on, and they're cooked, and I'm going to drain them. Okay, so I put these in a little bowl. I'm going to see they're cooked, so I'm going to put some Creole seasoning on them, get some flavor in them. It smells good in here, guys. Nothing like onions and peppers. Really, onions. Since the pandemic, I hate wearing makeup now. But I shouldn't be on I don't think I should be on camera without makeup. So that's why you haven't been seeing me. And I don't think most people don't care about, you don't care about seeing me. You want to get some value, get a quick, healthy meal ideas. So that's the main thing. I love seeing you guys though, and I appreciate all of your support. I look forward to your comments. If you have any questions or suggestions, I'm open to it. I've been on YouTube now 3 years, and the data clearly points towards my meal prep, eating tastefully for less videos. That's what the data says. That's works well on my channel, and I love doing it. Okay, you guys can't see. And I'm using my camera instead of a phone, and it's not as tall, and this pot is tall, so that's what's going on in there. See if we can bring you up a little bit. See a little bit better. tried to get a shallower pan. I was like, oh my God, I can't dig through all of my cupboards. I had like just stacked everything in there so neatly the other day, and I'm like, well, I don't want to disturb that. You'll see what's going on. Okay, so the veggies are cooked, softened. Putting the lentils in. Stir those around. Here's the others. I still like soup. Even it's getting warmer here. It's not quite there yet. But I still like soup for lunches. So this is a freezer clean out meal. This is very budget friendly. I got these lentils. I know they weren't that expensive. That's good. Put a little more. Put a can of tomato paste, tomato sauce. Homemade chicken stock. That's 4 cups. Put a few dashes of hot sauce in there. And a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. This one's not open yet. Let me see if I can find one that's open. I hate to have 2 and 3 different. Oh, here, I do have one that's open. Have one that's open. Let's see. This is like how I would do a jambalaya if I was doing, doing a rice dish. Just doing everything like you would, like a, jambalaya. Like a Creole one-pot meal, but just use lentils. Let that come to a boil, and when it's done, well, it's pretty much done. Just let it get hot. Just gonna let it get to a boil, and once it boils and just gets up to temperature, everything, then it's ready. It's pretty much ready. And I'm going to put this is our favorite condiment. We love that garlic chili sauce. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of that in there. Give it a nice kick. And that's what's going to set it off. That sets it off. Leave that off. So we're going to let that go for a few more minutes, and I'm cleaning up after myself. And you can let those like really cook and get mushy. Some people use their immersion blender. Sometimes I do that. Use the immersion blender to get like a really thick. But you know, I kind of want things soupy today. I want more of a stock with a few. Sometimes I don't always want to eat solid foods. You know, I want to kind of, you know, drink a soup or a tea or something and just get some nutrients that way. So always something going on around here. Okay, so I'm going to go on and make a little bit. It's hot. It's packed full of vitamins and flavor. I'm just going to garnish it with a few scallions, just like you would a jambalaya. Let me get a I like this very much, yes. You really feel like you're doing something good for yourself. It's very satisfying. Yes, guys, try this one. I'll put the recipe in the description box. And I want to thank you for tuning in today. Joining me at the table or at the stove. This is our Creole lentil soup. Yes, one pot meal on a budget. So if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Okay, that's so important. YouTube will show my videos to more people. The more people that are subscribed, if you guys, chime in. If you see a video, just, give me a, check it out. I'm always thinking about something that I think could benefit you guys. So hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content, okay? See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.